Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to compute or calculate our monthly amortizations or AMI for our housing loan or car loan. So in this particular video tutorial, we're going to use two methods of computation. We're going manual computation by using this formula. And the second one is we're going to use uh, the Excel sheet or spreadsheet by using also the formula given by the Excel sheet. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, guys, so let's start on how to compute or calculate our monthly amortizations of our housing or car loan. So, for example, no, first we're going to use method 1, and after this one, we're going to use method 2. So, how to calculate or compute our loan monthly amortization or MI, equated monthly installment. So, this is the example of the case that we're going to calculate. So, we're going to calculate using this formula. P times R times X close parenthesis 1 plus R to the exponent of n, which is the time period, divided by close parenthesis 1 plus R to the exponent of n minus 1. So this is our formula that, that we are going to use in this computation. Okay, so assuming I have a Pag-ibig housing loan of 546,610.710 with an annual interest rate of 6.25% and a loan term or period of 23 years, which is equivalent to 276 months. So 23 times 12 is equals to 276 months. So this quotation is realistic based on my actual loan, my actual housing loan. So this is my account summary as we log in, as we log in the virtual Pag-ibig. No, as of March 28, 2025, loan value. So this is my outstanding balance. 546,610.17, term and years 23 years, interest rate 6.25%, and outstanding balance is 546 point 546,614.17. My monthly amortization is 3,971.41. So we're going to compute this one where the Pag-ibig take this 3,971.41. How they computed this particular monthly amortization payment. So we're able to take this amount by computing using this formula. Okay, so this is the given. So the given is the principal amount, which is P, is 1, and the time period or loan term, which is N, is equal to 23 years, so equivalent to 276 months, and our monthly interest rate, which is R, is equal to 6.25%. This is per annum or per year, and our monthly amortization is question. So we have to take this one. We have to take the answer this one. Okay, so let's get started on how to compute this particular example. So first, using this formula, okay, so using for this formula, so we take the P, which is our P is here, no, 546,000. We're going to copy here, then times R times our R is 6.25%. So since this is percent, so we're going to convert this one to decimal points, which is 6.25 over 100 equal to 0.0625. Then we're going to divide this one by 12 because this is per annum, no? In 1 year is converted into 12 years. So we're going to divide this one. 0.0625 divided by 12 is equals to 0.00520833. So this is our R. We put it here. Then times close parenthesis 1 plus, so our R again is the same here. Then close parenthesis, so our in is equivalent to 276. Okay, so n is 276. Then divided by close parenthesis 1 plus, again our rate is the same, close parenthesis to the exponent of 276 minus 1. Okay, so now we're going to substitute this one. So if you study algebra, so we're able to compute this one. Okay, now what we need to do is to multiply this one. Okay, so we have to take a calculator. If you are computing using Windows 10, so there are a built-in calculator here. So we put it here. Then open your calculator. So we need the scientific calculator. So click view, then click scientific. Okay, because we need to compute the exponent. Okay, so we're going to times this one, we're going to multiply this one. Just simply copy, never to make it easy. Times this one and equals, this is the total now. Put it here. 2 times so we just put it here down. Okay, then we have to substitute it again. We're going to times this one. So we're going to plus this one. 1 plus 0052. Of course, here, you have to copy this one. Then, we're going to plus this one using again our calculator. Okay, plus 1 equal to 1.00520833. And so we put it here, paste here. Okay. So we put it close parentheses because we have an exponent. So the exponents of 273, 276, I mean. Now, divided by here. Okay. So have to distribute again. I mean, we have to substitute this one. So another one, you have to plus this one. Then using the calculator, 0, just paste here. Then like plus, then plus 1. And it's equal to 1.0052. So ito the same. Okay. So the exponent of 276, 276 minus 1. Okay, now clear. We're already substituted to our formula. Now, what we need to do is to multiply this one. 2846.94 times 10052,833. Okay, so I have to multiply this one. But first, before we multiply this one, you have to take the answer of this 1.005233, the exponent of this 276. So we're going to distribute again. We're going to substitute here. Now, using our calculator or scientific calculator, so note here exponent, symbol is scientific calculator is xy, no? Xy, this is our symbol to use how to convert this to exponent. So, times this one, or using our calculator, again, 0, type here, this one. Then after that, you can see here, xy. So, xy, just press this xy, then type 276. 276, then equals. So, this is our total. So, you can copy here, because no problem, just put it the point because we are only copying. But if you are writing, so you are going to take this point into here, point 194. But the problem, we're going to copy here because only copy and paste, so we put here, okay? Times. So, we have to copy here. Then this time we are going to multiply this. Again, we are to multiply this. This one. Using again our calculator. Paste here. Then times this point. Multiply it by here. But then paste. Then equals. This is our total now. I'm going to copy here. Paste. Just Control B. And then okay, so but before that, we are going to take the exponent this one. Oh, we have to take this the exponent of this one. Same procedure. Exponent y, then 276 equals. So this is the total now. Copy here over okay, this is our answer. Okay. So multiply this one to 846.94 times 4 194 1944. This is the total. Then we're going to divide this one here. First, we are going to minus this one. Okay. We have to substitute first. We have to substitute another. So 4 minus 1, so automatic 3. No? Trying to minus this one. Test here, minus 1. 1 minus 1. And equals 3. Okay. Let's copy. Copy it here. Okay, so this is now almost final. No? So we are going to divide this one after we multiply this one, the product of this one is 1.941. So we're going to put here okay, and this is our almost final answer. So we have to time multiply this one here. Okay. Oh, put it here. Then we are going to divide this 3.91. Copy it here. Copy. And paste to our calculator. Divide by here. Okay. Then paste this one. Then equals. So this is our answer. This is our final answer. Copy our final answer. Okay. So my final answer is this is my monthly amortization. Oh, this is my monthly amortization. One. or AMI. Now, looking back to my loan, we can see here it is 3,971.41. Why? Because there was in our loan, let's go here the breakdown of my loan as we can see in our notice of approval before we receive our housing loan. So we see here insurance, MRI insurance and non-life. So non-life insurance, that is the fire, I think. So 1.30 or 130.50 plus 102.75 equals 233.25. So we're going to plus this one here, insurance, no? Plus that, we're going to plus 233.25 our insurance. So as we can see, my monthly amortization equals to, so we plus this one, use our calculator, test here, then plus 233.25 plus test equals, as you can see, it's accurate, no? 391, 3,907.40. So if we going to take the point, it's equivalent to 391 to 97.41. So exact, no? With automatic 41 because this one is 6. So the decimal point is 41. This is my loan now. No? So meaning it is accurate based on this amount, based on these figures from Detour Pag-ibig website. You can see this one, 397.41. Okay, so guys, this is the first method on how to take actual monthly amortization of our loan or our monthly installment payments. Okay, so simply as that, guys, we're using this formula. Okay, now we proceed to the method 2. We're going to use spreadsheet, no? Spreadsheet or Excel sheet. Now, so we're going to erase first this one. So take note, guys, we're going to use this formula. Oh, we're going to use this formula in the Excel sheet. This is given by the Excel sheet. Okay. Now, as we can see, the same procedure. This is the examples the same. I have a Pag-ibig housing loan of 546,614.17 with an annual interest rate of 6.25% in a long term or period of 23 years, which equivalent to 276 months. So given So given this on how to compute or calculate this one. So principal loan amount or outstanding balance, which is P, is this 546,614.17. Time period or loan term in months, which is 23 years, equivalent to 276 months. So our monthly interest rate, which is R, is 6.25%. So we're going to convert this one into per annum. So meaning we first 6.25%, we're going to convert the one into decimal point, which is 6.25 over 100, and that is equals to 0.0625. Then we're going to divide this one by 12. So why 12? Because in 1 year is equivalent to 12 months. So when 0.625 over or divided by 12, the total is when 0.00520833. This is our monthly interest rate per annum. So monthly amortization, so we're going to compute this one. Okay. Now, principal loan amount. So we're going to copy this amount here. I'll copy this amount here. Oh, oh, just simply type this one, 546, 614, 117. Okay, time period or long term is 276 months. Is 23 years. The interest rate, which is R, here 6.25%, and we're going to multiply this one per year per annum. Here is 6.00.00520833. So we copy it here. Okay. Then now we hit here, copy it here. We put here 6.25%. So that you can follow what I did. Okay. So this one, 625, converting to decimal points. So we try 6.25 over, we're going to use formula, 6.25 over 100 equals to 625. Then, then 625 5 5 again, 1, no big problem. Simply type 0 and 6, 0.0625 over 12 equals to 1. Now, how to compute our monthly amortization? So again, guys, we're using this formula. So, using this formula, equals, type equals, then just put it here dash, then type PMT. PMT is given here. Okay. Then close parenthesis. We look the our rate, monthly interest rate here. So times monthly interest here, just click here, just click it here. Okay. Then comma, 2 times, comma, then time period in, our in is here. Just click it here. Okay. Then comma again. So then loan principal, our loan principal is here, our P is here. Click it here. But then you have to close it. Then enter. So here guys, this is my loan now 373.16. The same as the other formula. No, the same as our method 1. So this one is C28. This is C28. C28. And this one is C25. And this one is C24. This is our formula now. Okay. So since I have, as what I mentioned before, I have an insurance plus non-life insurance, which is fire. So, which is 233.25. So we are going to add this one by this one, 230.25. The total is 3,971.41. This is the total. This is my monthly amortization. Okay. So the same as the method 1. So this is very easy, guys. Very easy calculation using Excelsheet. No, you can calculate it in just 5 minutes. Okay. So go back to my, let's look at this one. You can see this one. Okay. It is here. So you can see 3,971.41. My monthly amortization is the same based on our computation. Okay. We have also fire here. Okay. Compute plus this my insurance. Okay guys, so it's very easy how to compute. Method 1 and method 2 is both accurate based on my actual loan on my Pag-ibig housing in the Philippines. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope that this video helped you, and please consider subscribing on my channel. Once again, thank you very much.